Hello, everyone. Myself, Professor B.S. Karale. Today, in bookkeeping and accountancy, we are going to learn about partnership final account and examples. So, without wasting time, we will start the topic introduction of partnership firm and partnership final account. What is a partnership firm? When two or more persons come together and start the any legal business, it is called partnership firm. The partnership firm may be formed under the Act 1932. And what is a final account? The accounts which are prepared at the end of the each financial year, it is called final account. Final accounts are prepared with the help of trial balance and adjustment. What is a trial balance? Trial balance is a statement showing a list of debit and credit balances of ledger account on a particular date. And what is adjustment? Adjustment means extra information which given after trial balance. The following accounts are prepared in final account. Number 1, trading account. Number 2, profit and loss account. Number 3, partners capital account, current account, and next number 4, balance sheet. What is a trading account? Trading account is the part of the final account. Which accounts are prepared to find out the gross result, gross profit or gross loss in the business done in the accounting year? So, direct expenses and direct incomes are recorded in trading account. For example, purchases, wages, factory rent, royalty, octroi, sales are the example of direct expenses and direct income. What is the profit and loss account? Profit and loss account is the part of the final account. Which accounts are prepared to find out the net result, net profit, net loss in the business done in the accounting year. The indirect expenses and indirect incomes are recorded in profit and loss account. For example, salary, printing and stationery, rent, audit fee, discount received, commission received, interest received, etc. What does debit balance and credit balance of trading account indicate? Debit balance of trading account indicate gross loss, and credit balance of trading account indicate gross profit. Gross profit or gross loss are shifted or transferred to profit and loss account. What does debit balance and credit balance of profit and loss account indicate? Debit balance of profit and loss account indicate net loss, and credit balance of profit and loss account indicate net profit. Net profit or net loss are transferred to capital account. So, following example, partnership final account. From the following trial balance and adjustment given below of Reena and Aarti, we are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. Trial balance as on 31st March 2019. Purchases 35,500. Direct expenses trading account debit side. Sundry debtors 40,000 balance sheet asset side. Sales return 1,000. Sales return are deducted from sales. Opening stock 18,100 trading account debit side. Bad debts 500 profit and loss account debit side. Land and building 25,000 balance sheet asset side. Furniture 20,000 balance sheet asset side. Discount 1,000 profit and loss account debit side. Royalties 700 trading account debit side. Rent 1,900 profit and loss account debit side. Salary 3,000 profit and loss account debit side. Wages 800 trading account debit side. Insurance 1,500 profit and loss account debit side. Drawings Rina 2,000 and Aarti 1,000 drawings are recorded capital account debit side. Cash at bank 11,500 balance sheet asset side. Cash in hand 2,000 balance sheet asset side. Sales 58,200 trading account credit side. Sundry creditors 25,700 balance sheet liability side. Purchase return 500. Purchase return are deducted from purchases trading account debit side. RDD 800 old reserve deducted from bad debts. Discount 50,000 profit and loss account credit side. Commission 250 profit and loss account credit side. Capital Rina 50,000 and Aarti 30,000 capital account credit side or balance sheet liability side capital Rina and Aarti. The following adjustment: number 1, closing stock valued at rupees 22,000. This adjustment to effect: first effect, profit and loss trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. Number 2, write off 900 for bad and doubtful debts and create provision for reserve for doubtful debts 1,000. Number 3, create a provision for discount on debtor 300 and creditors 500. Debtor 300 deducted from debtors. First effect, balance sheet asset side less debtor, and second effect, profit and loss account debit side, and creditors deducted from creditors. First effect, balance sheet liability side, and second effect, profit and loss account credit side. Outstanding expenses: wages 700 and salary rupees 800. Wages first, trading account debit side deducted from wages outstanding, and second effect, balance sheet liability side. Salary less outstanding, profit and loss account debit side, and second effect, balance sheet asset side. Insurance is paid for 15 months with effect from 1st April 2018. That is prepaid expenses 3 months calculated. Next, depreciate land and building at 5%. First effect, balance sheet asset side deducted from land and building, and second effect, profit and loss account debit side. Rina and Aarti are sharing profits and losses in their capital ratio.